Yeah, you know why I call this place paradise now, huh? There's just nothing that compares to going for a walk in the woods, you know? Here at Cap-Saint-Jacques Nature Park. Just wanted to show you this beautiful little moment of tranquility here. A couple of mosquitoes buzzing around, but who cares? And I hope to get more videos of these kind of places for my viewers as summer goes on, as the beautiful spring blossom, it is still spring, believe it or not, continues. Let's just take a little moment here and take in the paradise.